I was a hungry man with a gun in my hand and some promises to keep.
Gaur gozien, bialdu este email bat danek, dela bajo jotzen dauen emakumeen lagunek, etzen dozte gaur, jobiotela beragaz kontzertu baten. Orden beran taldiaz. Orden oin abestitxek ikasten, ze gabaz, antzadanez, kontzertu bat dauket. Orduen ikastera.
Trails and Circle K killers, and I know I could look at anyone but you now. I could fall into the eyes of anyone.
Andri etorri da oin eta ja lortu ditu beren matrikulak, orduan joan gara oin furgoneta, kamioiagaz beran kotxi hartzera, eta nik gero ekarrikot bueltan kamioneta. Horretarako bierdot, permisue.
To what I should have been, but I'm not. This is a list of the things that I should have seen, but I'm not seeing. Look in your eyes, his fingertips lit on your neck.
Itxio este kamioneta niri, jaja, igual eskapa egingo doin. A ver, sondo llenado. Yuhu! Horri ezu, horrien. Eta nire hemen atzien. Jaja, kamioneta neuria da! Yuhu! Baina kamioneta dok ez kanbizioek, orduen gatsa da grabatzi eta kanbizioek aldatzi, baina bueno, ondo goiez, ondo goiez.
The president's in bed tonight, but he can't get to sleep.
Viaje gona izan da, divertigarriz izan da. She
loves you cause you never make her feel like anything. She said I wouldn't feel a thing, but I can feel, oh I can feel, and I know I could look at anyone but you now. I could fall into the arms of anyone but you now, 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 now. So come on, come on, come on, oh come on through now. Come on, come on, come on, oh come on through now. This is a list of what I should have.
Goiez kontzerture ja, eta egunero bezala berandu goiez. Baina gaur gainera da ni gotzeten kontzertu, orduan helduko naz berandu nire kontzerture. Baina bueno, prest, hartu got ja teleskitorazen kamisetie, eta zintxuroie, beraz, bagoiez. Thank you all.